This is the Mast newest arrival tattoo battery pen machine. It's named Rider. And here is the box you're gonna get. And after opening this box, there will be an instruction page. This instruction page is multi-language, including English, Francais, and many languages, also the Chinese. And you can get some basic instructions based on this page. So let's get started of the machine. This is a machine, and compared to the traditional battery machine, this one is relatively shorter and the battery capacity is very high compared to its size. The battery capacity is around 1,052. And also the stroke of this one is 3.5 millimeters. And the working length after charging it fully is around 5 hours to 4 hours. And here is the display screen. And the battery capacity, the timing, and the working voltage are all on this screen. And you can adjust the voltage by click on that button. And also you can adjust the needle length by rotating this part. That's all about Rider.